So here we are in Bathinda, outside the ZAT center. So ZAT 25 just concluded, and these students appeared for ZAT. As they told that verbal was slightly difficult, and DM lengthy, and quant a bit layered. So we go one by one to understand their attempt and the reactions. So starting with Himanshu. First reaction, Himanshu.
It was verbal was lengthy and DM was as expected for me. लाइक पुराने जैसे सेक्शनल्स करे थे वैसे ही था ओके और कौन भी कंपैरेटिव भी मुझे आई डोंट नो मेरा अटेम्प्ट अच्छा गया है बाकी सब
कितना अटेम्प्ट किया आपने 17 वेरी गुड सो आज आपका बर्थडे भी है सो व्हाट वाज योर टोटल अटेम्प्ट
So it was around 55.
55, very good, yeah, nice attempt.
Yes,
so according to you, DM?
Sir, DM was pretty lengthy, like as
किया पूरा किया?
हाँ जी सर, पूरा किया DM तो and फिर उसके बाद verbal, sir verbal like RC थोड़े से lengthy लगे, but they were okay, like but मैंने RC की जगह VA करने की try करी ज़्यादा.
ठीक है.
VA का पूरा attempt याद रखा. And कॉन्ट्स के अंदर सर लाइक 8-9 क्वेश्चन डुएबल थे लाइक बहुत बेसिक लेवल थे बट जो वो सेट थे DI वाले और LR वाले थोड़े ज्यादा लेंथी थे
वो राम वाला रवि वाला सेट हुआ क्वेश्चंस वाला
सर क्वेश्चन वाला हाँ जी वो सर ट्राई किया था उस पर टाइम स्पेंड किया था बट फिर निकल रहा था ज़्यादा टाइम में स्किप कर दिया चलिए आपका शुभम
सर आई अटेम्प्टेड ऑलमोस्ट 37-38 क्वेश्चंस ओवरऑल माय अटेम्प्ट went low because I focused more on accuracy. I attempted almost 17 questions in decision making.
Good.
The decision making section was more or less on the same level with the previous year.
Right? But questions were a bit lengthier,
the
right?
The decision making was a bit lengthy on a bit lengthier side.
And there was statement again in each question.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. There were some contradictory statements.
Contradictory statement in the each
a bit difficult.
Right.
So in the quantitative aptitude, I attempted 8 questions. There were I found 5 or 6. There were straightforward questions that came right in the starting of the section.
Okay.
And with a somewhat better preparation, I think 10 to 12 questions would be good to go.
For quant.
Yeah. For quant.
Okay. Good. Sahil, you scored 99 in CAT. So
yes,
what is your expected percentile in that?
I think sir 95 plus उसके ऊपर कितना जाए वो तो नहीं बोल सकता. But
okay. What was your attempt?
55 questions.
55 questions.
I'm
so
not sure
mark my words, you are gonna get 99.5 plus, right? Because in this paper was difficult than last year's, no doubt. And last year there was 34 questions were giving 99. So I expect 80% accuracy. By that you should be getting a good score.
I'm
right?
sure about quant ki like I attempted 15 questions and 12 to 13 should be correct.
Right.
Verbal was more on the inference based side, so RCs were tough for me.
Okay, तो कम किया attempt?
RC 17.
Verbal attempt?
Verbal attempts around 17-18.
17, very good. Verbal is a good attempt. 15 plus is a good attempt. Right. And DM?
Decision making I attempted completely like as you suggested.
Okay, good. Very good. So coming to Dipesh जी.
सर बेसिकली क्वांट में DI ज़्यादा क्योंकि मुझे DI ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबिलिटी रहती है और DM तो सारा ही कर दिया सर.
ठीक है.
और वर्बल में 15 to 16 क्वेश्चन
15 to 16 क्वेश्चन
किए.
So overall हमें लगता है कि कट ऑफ शुड गो लोअर, राइट? कट ऑफ डाउन जानी चाहिए. देखिए दिस इज ऑफ रिव्यू दैट I also appeared for this. This was the first time that I left quant questions unattempted because I started with the quant, but in 1 hour I could do only 18-19 questions. So I left quant unattempted to go for DM, and then DM was again lengthy. It took around 45-50 minutes. My targeted time was 40, but it took around 50-55 minutes. And then verbal again was layered. I think there were 2 RCs that I have read twice to finish that. But still, I could attempt around 60 questions. So really on a higher side. So cutoff should go down as compared to last year. And those who have attempted low and kept a high accuracy shall gain in this. और जिन्होंने attempt ज़्यादा कर दिया है और accuracy पे ध्यान नहीं दिया, I think they are gonna lose in this ZAT examination. Overall, very good and very nicely built paper. Wish you all the very best, and thanks for sharing your views. Wish you all the very best for ZAT.
Thank you, sir.